Hi there, it's Mel at Inspired Crafts. Today I'm going to just do a quick little video on a cute little basket. Could be made for Easter or anything really. This is made out of card, so it's really quite solid. Okay, so what we need first of all is a piece of cardstock measuring 6 inches by 6 inches. For those of you that work in centimetres, that is 15.2 centimetres square. Okay, so you just score at 2 inches or 5.1 centimetres and 4 inches, which is about 10.2 roughly. Okay, and then flip it round and do exactly the same in the other direction. Okay, so the scoreboard can now disappear. I also have a strip of cardstock which is 6 inches by 3/4 of an inch. Let me find my bone folder just quickly. Okay, so just gonna burnish the folds, score lines. And then we're going to bring in a pair of scissors. Okay, so what you want to do next is cut up to this score line here and here on both sides. So that's that side, turn it round. Okay, so actually I did fib a bit. I do need the trimmer for one little bit. If you fold in these edges and then put this tab just up to the first line and score, and do the same on the other side. You just get a tiny little indent and then you're going to be folding that in. So just burnish that a bit. Okay, now for each of these I do mine by eye rather than actually measuring it. But you just want to now cut roughly into 3 strips. And that's on all 4 of these tabs. If you want to measure it and be precise, you can, but as long as it goes up to the score line, it'll be fine. And the last one. Okay. So next you want to bring in your tombow. And the best way of, or the easiest way of doing this is one side at a time. So I'm going to bring this one in and glue it like this. So a small dab of glue on there and just glue it and hold it for a second. And then on that side, and you're lining them up. And I'll just stick glue on those bits, save doing that. And then it is just alternately bringing them in like so. And then obviously you need to repeat on the other side. So we'll do little bits of glue on all 6 tabs, starting with the lowest one. And just hold it in place for a little bit. That's fine. And that's your basket main body. Now the handle is very straightforward. Just gonna pop a couple of blobs of glue on, and that will line up there. And on the other side, as you can see, I've just lined it up with the bottom of the top tab. And for some decoration, these are the paper Florist Dies. There's loads in there, but these I thought these would be nice. And all I'm going to do is just using my thumbnail and I'm just going to curl the petals up a little bit. Okay, so you can see they're just curled over. And you want 2 for each flower. And then we've got some little white, little yellow inserts. So I'm just gonna glue them like so. Pop a tiny bit of glue in the middle. For the yellow bit. Again, tiny bit. You don't need a lot of glue for this. They stick really easily. Just pop the little bit of yellow in the middle. And then I'm just going to pop one on that side. And one on that side. And there you have a little basket. Okay, I hope you enjoy making that. That you can make them bigger. This is one that I made using a 8.5 inch. It was 8.5 inch. Yeah, 8.5 inch. And I scored it at 2 inches from each end. So it made it a much bigger basket, depending on the size of the eggs and things, or whatever you want to put in them. Okay, but they're really easy to scale up or down, I guess. Okay, well, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you again soon. Take care.